After whoop ass at the track, I celebrate with Greenbelt Premium. Every time I open a Greenbelt, awesome things happen. Just last week, I cracked open a Primo, and a Zubaz Party Bus pulled up, and it was on. Yeah! How did you grow that awesome mullet?
I just kept drinking Greenbelt, and it popped out on its own.
Awesome.
Give me the mullet!
You've crossed Zubaz with the Camaro and Greenbelt beer? You're overdosed on awesomeness. Get him to someplace lame. Stat!
They can slap a restrictor plate on my car, but they can't restrict my Greenbelt Premium!
Greenbelt Premium, official beer of all things awesome.
I'm on a Greenbelt! Woo! Wait, you can't cross Zubaz with Greenbelt. It'll create an awesome hole.
That sounds awesome! Do it!
Yeah! Woo!
You want to know how to get this shine, baby?
Oh, yes, I
Shampoo with Greenbelt, morning, noon, and night.
do. No way.
3 times a day, and you have to have a beer every time you wash with it.
I want that mullet. Give me the mullet, man. I want the mullet. I need the mullet. Give me the mullet.
Yeah!
Awesome.
2 points for awesomeness.
Woo! When's the last time you had something this awesome inside you?